Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable autosave in your Microsoft Word. Let's begin. First, open your Microsoft Word, any file will do, or a blank page. Then go and click File over here. At the bottom, you should be able to locate Options, left click on it, then it will pop up a new window. Just go to save, left click on it, and let's make sure everything is enabled. So first, save auto recover information every 10 or X minutes. So we can easily adjust this. For example, I'm just going to put every 1 minute. Then keep the last auto recovered version if I close without saving. Okay, enable that, all right? Lastly, autosave files stored in the cloud by default in Word. Now, these three, make sure all are enabled. Once done, you can now click on OK, and everything should now be working smoothly in your Word. You have now successfully enabled autosave. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.